Why do we hiccup? Hiccuping, scientifically known as singultus, is a reflex action triggered by the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cords. While the exact cause of hiccups isn't always clear, common triggers include eating or drinking too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden changes in temperature, stress or excitement, and irritation of the nerves that control the diaphragm. To stop hiccups, various home remedies can be tried, such as holding your breath, drinking a glass of water quickly, biting on a lemon or tasting vinegar, or gently stimulating the back of the throat. These methods can help disrupt the reflex arc, causing hiccups and reset the diaphragm's rhythm. In persistent or severe cases, medical intervention may be necessary, including prescription medications or procedures to address underlying conditions causing chronic hiccups.